This creamy broccoli salad is fresh, crunchy, and perfectly balanced with crisp vegetables, gentle sweetness, and a smooth dressing in every bite. Let's begin with the broccoli. Pour hot boiling water into a large heat-proof bowl. Add the whole broccoli head into the bowl and make sure it is fully submerged. Let it sit for 5 minutes. This step gently softens the broccoli while keeping it fresh and crisp. It takes away the strong taste without overcooking, which is exactly what we want for a broccoli salad. If you want, you can also use the raw broccoli. Now let's prepare the remaining vegetables. Finally, chop red onion. This is a simple and easy to make broccoli salad that fits easily into everyday meals. It's not complicated, it doesn't need fancy ingredients, and it works well as a side dish for meal prep or for sharing. Keep it aside. Then finally chop half a cucumber. Keeping everything evenly chopped helps the salad feel balanced and easier to eat. Keeping everything evenly chopped helps the salad feel balanced and easier to eat. Also set it aside. Then chop celery. What really makes a good broccoli salad is texture. The broccoli should not taste raw or harsh. The dressing should be creamy but balanced, and every bite should feel satisfying. And set it aside. Also chop a green apple. The green apple adds freshness and slight tartness, which pairs really well with the creamy dressing. And keep it aside. Next, prepare the crunchy elements. Roughly chop the roasted cashews. We're also using dried cranberries, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. These ingredients add sweetness, crunch, and depth while keeps the broccoli salad interesting and satisfying. After 5 minutes, remove the broccoli. And transfer it to ice cold water. This stops the cooking immediately and helps maintain the texture. Drain the broccoli. Also cut the broccoli into bite-sized florets. We are also using tender broccoli stems here. Cut the tender stems into small pieces. And set it aside. Now let's move on to the dressing. In a bowl, add vegan mayonnaise and vegan Greek style yogurt. You can also use regular mayonnaise and regular Greek yogurt. Add the vinegar for tang, maple syrup for gentle sweetness, and season with salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. This combination creates a creamy base without making the salad too heavy. Whisk everything together until the dressing is smooth and well combined. The flavor should be creamy, slightly tangy, and nicely balanced. Now it's time to assemble the broccoli salad. In a large mixing bowl, add the chopped broccoli florets, followed by the green apple, cucumber, celery, and red onion. Add the dried cranberries, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and chopped cashews. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently until everything is evenly coated. Mix gently so the broccoli stays crisp and the salad does not release excess moisture. Once mixed, taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. This step matters because different brands of vegan mayonnaise and yogurt can vary in saltiness. For the best texture and flavor, chill the broccoli salad for 15 to 20 minutes before serving. This resting time allows the flavors to come together naturally. And that's it. A creamy, crunchy broccoli salad that's simple, balanced, and easy to enjoy again and again. It's easy, versatile, and perfect for everyday cooking. If you enjoyed this broccoli salad recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and reliable recipes from My Ginger Garlic Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.